Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply comment photo on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. Now let's go ahead and access our particular TikTok app. And right over here you're gonna find this interface. Right, found our particular videos. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to this comment option section of theirs, and if you want to tap on this add comment, we will have these options right over there, but we cannot seem to find an option where we can simply access the photo or the camera. For that, you have to simply reply. So let's go ahead and tap on this reply option. Then you will access this little red video icon. Now tap on it, and now simply it will be automatically in this section. You have to switch to your photo, click a picture, and then you will be able to tap on this check mark button, and you will be able to reply to them with the photo of there in the comment section. So directly there is no way out, but as a reply there is you can do. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.